Previously on Erebus 7. The planetary substrate was created, the geology was altered and habitation modules were also added. You can find episode 1 linked in the description, as well as links to the under modules. This is how everything's looking after 33 days of growth. And random things have started sprouting up through the moss. There's also quite a few weeds pushing through as well. The original module configuration was also optimized for utility. It now functions as a crab ladder. It's still very empty and barren, but we're going to change that. Not everything is going well though. This moss doesn't like this biome, which is kind of expected. These are the plants we're going to be introducing to this biome. They're all slow growing ferns. This staghorn, for example, it'll grow quite slow, but eventually gets quite big. The same goes for this silver ribbon fern. It's also quite a slow grower. And I have absolutely no idea about this fern, so if you do know, drop a name in the comments. With planting, I'm going to be optimizing for future density. It may look empty to start, and staghorn ferns grow quite slowly, but in time, this entire scape will become a jungle. While I'm planting things, I'm also going to be removing the dying cushion moss. This fern here will grow to be the focal point of Erebus 7. These ferns go nuts in hot, humid and wet environments, so they're perfect for an ecosystem like this. Spraying things down to settle everything in. At the moment I'm only misting this tank once a week, and it's doing very well. It's essentially self-sustaining from an ecosystem point of view. Adding dechlorinated tap water with a pH of 8. I'll be filling this tank to the height of my neighbouring tanks. You'll see what I mean in a few seconds. Adding salvinia, snails and probably a lot of shrimp. All these shrimp hitchhike from another tank, so the same is going to happen right here. Salvinia is this tank's native natural filter, and springtails have also hitchhiked across. Unfortunately, he was the last of his kind at the store, but I still check every week to see if there's any new friends for him, but so far I haven't had any luck.